love drinking beer out on the front porch steps. We did everything together, whole lot of nothing now and then. My best friend, my right-hand man, was always there when I called. The only reason for him leaving makes any sense at all is God must have needed a good dog, just like I did. Someone sitting shotgun to ride down streets of gold with and lay around and listen to me wishing he wouldn't know. But I ain't mad, I can't blame the man at all. God must have needed a good dog. Guess he needed a fishing buddy, best damn one I had. Or maybe he needed a little company, pray one day I'll get to ask. And I know it's a better place, but I won't say I don't miss him. I can just see him now, running through those gates, knowing why the good Lord picked him. 'Cause God must have needed a good dog, just like I did. Someone sitting shotgun to ride down streets of gold with and lay around and listen to me wishing he wouldn't go. But I ain't mad, I can't blame the man at all. God must have needed a good dog. Must have needed a damn good dog. And I know that he's in good hands till I see him again. Yeah, I'll see him again. But until then, God must have needed a good dog, just like I did. Someone sitting shotgun to ride down streets of gold with and lay around and listen